There is a certain moment that most men rarely ever mention. It is a quiet kind of moment, one that usually appears when you're doing something completely ordinary. Maybe you're sitting in a small cafe, walking along a crowded sidewalk, or standing among a group of people at a social gathering. You glance up and notice a younger woman looking at you. She isn't staring through you as though you don't exist. She isn't looking beyond you searching for somebody else. She's looking directly at you. In that brief instant, something deep within you comes alive. It is a feeling that arrives before your mind even has time to process it. Then your thoughts step in, and they step in quickly. You tell yourself that you probably imagined it. You tell yourself there's no way she could actually be interested. You convince yourself that the feeling was nothing more than wishful thinking. You push it aside because you don't want to risk feeling embarrassed. You keep moving forward. Yet, even after you've gone on with your day, something remains. That feeling isn't you being foolish. It isn't you being arrogant. It is something your body noticed before your doubts had the chance to bury it. What your body picked up on was real. Now, I'm not going to sit here and claim that age doesn't matter at all. That wouldn't be honest and it wouldn't be fair. Age is real, but it doesn't matter in the way most people insist that it does. For most of your life, you've been told a story. That story says that because of the year you were born, you are no longer allowed to be desired or appreciated by someone younger. It says you are automatically out of the running. But that story is not based on how people actually think and feel. It is mostly noise coming from the world around us. And that noise has caused many men to miss something they truly deserve to understand. There's one major reason a younger woman keeps finding herself drawn back to a man like you. It goes much deeper than your bank account, your accomplishments, or the confidence you try to project. We're going to talk about that reason. But first, you need to understand something she probably isn't telling you. In fact, she may not even have the words to explain it to herself yet. She simply knows how she feels when she's around you. So let's begin by lowering the volume on all that outside noise so you can hear what is really happening. You already know how the world reacts to situations like this. You've seen the raised eyebrows, you've heard the questions that are designed more to make you feel guilty than to understand what's actually going on. Maybe you've even started believing some of those voices yourself. There may be a voice inside your own head that says this is wrong, or that you're fooling yourself, or that you're only interested because you're struggling with getting older. That voice sounds confident, it sounds certain. And because it sounds so convincing, most men accept it without question. But there is something that voice never mentions. Attraction is not a math equation. It is not a social policy. It is something that takes place inside the nervous system. Your body's internal wiring doesn't check a calendar before deciding how it feels. When a woman feels a spark toward a man, her body doesn't open a spreadsheet to calculate his age. She isn't running numbers to determine whether the gap between your birthdays is acceptable. What she is responding to, deep down, are signals. She is responding to signals about whether she feels safe around you. She is responding to signals about whether you seem steady and grounded. She is paying attention to whether you are genuinely present or simply performing a role. She is sensing whether being close to you allows her to become more of herself or forces her to hide parts of who she is. Those signals have very little to do with the number of birthdays you've celebrated. They have everything to do with the man you have become over the years. The issue is not your age. The issue is that you've been trying to understand her attraction using the wrong set of rules. You've been measuring yourself against a standard that belongs to a completely different kind of attraction. That standard is focused on being young, being flashy, being fast, and looking like a certain type of athlete. If that's the ruler you use, you'll always feel like you're falling short. But that isn't the ruler she's using. The qualities you've been quiet about, or perhaps even insecure about, such as moving a little slower, being more thoughtful, or no longer feeling the need to constantly prove yourself, are not flaws that need fixing. In many cases, they are exactly what she is responding to. Those are the signals she notices. And for some women, those signals stand out louder than almost anything else a man could offer.